Hello, I'm Connor Creech, Principal Financial Accountant, ACG 2021, and this is the Tableau project. Today we're going to be showing application of Tableau and its usages. Basically, we analyze in cat manufacturing by sales and revenue and stuff like that. We made an interactive dashboard. I'm just going to be going over showing that and how to use that in depth and how this is a useful software basically. Let me turn off the webcam somehow if I can figure it out. I don't know. This thing's very difficult to use. Don't know what I'm hitting. That's definitely not the right button. I've never used anything worse in my life. Still not the right button. Well, it don't look like we're going to find it today, so we're just going like this. So first we got, this is just data source right here that we put in from the Excel. We got revenue by year. So this is just showing us 2019, 2020, and 2021, the total revenue by each year right here. This is going to be total sales by quarter and year. This gets a little bit more in depth right here. So basically it's just like you can just 2021, 2020, 2019, and the sales revenue, and then these are the quarters down here. Shows by the quarters. We also have it color coded. The darker the color, the more money is. Sorry, more the sales are. And we don't mind this stuff over here. We'll get into that in the interactive dashboard. Revenue by category is the next sheet. This is basically just showing medical, telecom, materials processing, and this topic right here, which is a more vague category. Something it says R&D and other. But yep, this is like a circle graph. Bigger the circle, the more money is. Nice, very nice. Next we have sales by product line. Just showing the product lines right here and the sales by them. Also color coded. Make it a little easier to see. Darker the color the more, lighter the color the less. Top customer and sales. This is the top 10 customers and sales right here. Top 10. Color coded as well to make it easier. Sales by division. This is by division. So we got Germany, India, Korea, Russia, United Kingdom, and United States. Also color coded. Make it a little easier. This is the map. Just shows the same exact thing, but now by the map. So we have the map, Korea, Russia, United States, India, Germany, UK, Korea, right there. And this is the crown jewel right here. This is the interactive dashboard. So this is basically combining some of those different sub sheets that we just talked about and putting it into one big interactive dashboard. Now how this is interactive is, let's say you want to know how much the medical sales were in 2019. So you can hit 2019 and we see all this other stuff shifted. Then we hit medical. Now we know medical sales in 2019 in the first quarter was 776,483, so on, so on, so on. Now let's say we wanted the medical sales in the United States, and bam, now we just pulled that up, 2,554,709, so on, so on. Very interactive and get very into detail. Zoom in, zoom out of the map. And let's just say we wanted a product line. Well, this would be ER Laser. The ER Laser, very popular. Sales revenue right here. As we can see, there's 166,000 of it for the United States in 2019 in the first quarter. Now, say we want to not look at 2019, but want to look at the fourth quarter of the year. So we just hit quarter 4. Let's say we don't want to look at medical. So we just click, let's say we want to look at telecom. We hit telecom. Let's say we don't want to look at United States. Anywhere, top 10, these are the top 10, the Fly Company, Atlantic Company, Colorado Company right here. This is showing us our top 10 for telecom in the fourth quarter. Right here. And the biggest thing is going to be Signal Channel, EDFA, right here, and that's going to account for 5.4 million. of the total sales. That's what it says, sales revenue right there. Out of these three combined. But that is how you use it right here. You got pretty in depth right there showing how to use that. And this is a very useful tool right here because you can really it's well organized, and you can use it to really take a whole lot of data and combine it and make it look neat, functional, efficient. This very well put together, well-rounded software, clean boards, makes it easy to see. Pull up material processing, do it however you want to do it, and that's how you do it right here. I'm going to go ahead and call that 5 minutes. I'll hit pause.